A small bird isn't popped in my house, in my flat. It doesn't actually understand where, how he popped in. He just popped in through my window, and I closed the window, and I don't know, is it he or she? Anyway, I mean, flying here there. Uh, I'm just little playing with it, and try to give it some food. Definitely, it came here to find out some food, I believe. Uh, anyway, it's now stuck in my flat. All the windows, doors are closed, and uh, it is a bit scared. I don't want to make it scared actually. I'm gonna give it some food, like some a crash of lentil or rice, then let it go. Uh, it's really nice. I never saw this type of that type of bird before. Um, I think it's some jungle birds, I believe, because the winter is coming, so cold up in there, and all the insects or whatever they normally have, it's not available in there. So that's why it just came out in neighborhood, I believe, and yeah. So anyway, it's really nice. It's a really nice bird. Look, like a love bird normally, like small bird, I believe. It seems like that. So anyway, it's a fantastic to see, and I believe it's a good luck for me. It's a good luck for me. It came in my heart. Bring maybe good luck, and I will feed it and I will let it go. Okay then, bye.